Where is graphing systems of inequalities applied in the real world? Have you ever wondered how graphing systems of inequalities plays a role in our everyday lives? This concept is not just a math exercise, it has practical applications in various fields. Let's break it down. Graphing systems of inequalities helps us visualize multiple conditions that need to be satisfied at the same time. Each inequality represents a constraint or a limit, and when we graph them, we see the overlapping areas that show all possible solutions. In business and economics, companies often face constraints like budget limits and resource availability. For example, a business might want to maximize its profits while staying within limits on labor hours and materials. By graphing these inequalities, they can identify the best production levels that meet all these constraints. Cost analysis and budgeting also benefit from this technique. When planning expenses, inequalities can represent maximum spending limits or minimum requirements. Graphing these helps visualize which combinations of costs are possible without exceeding budgets. Nutrition and diet planning is another area where graphing systems of inequalities is useful. Dietitians ensure meal plans meet nutritional requirements, like minimum protein and maximum fat intake, without exceeding calorie limits. The solution region shows all acceptable combinations of foods. Resource allocation is crucial in managing time, money, or materials. Systems of inequalities help determine how to allocate resources efficiently while respecting all constraints. This is especially important in industries where resources are limited. In manufacturing and production, factories use these systems to plan production schedules that meet demand without exceeding machine or labor capacities. This ensures that operations run smoothly and efficiently. Environmental and population studies also utilize inequalities. They can model limits on pollution levels or population growth. Graphing these systems helps analyze scenarios that comply with these limits, guiding policy decisions. Transportation and logistics are other fields where this concept shines. Planning routes or delivery schedules often involves constraints like time windows, fuel limits, or vehicle capacities. Systems of inequalities help find feasible options that meet all these requirements. Even in sports and training, coaches might use inequalities to set training limits, such as minimum practice hours and maximum allowable fatigue. This helps optimize performance while ensuring athletes stay healthy. In all these cases, graphing systems of inequalities provides a visual way to see all possible solutions that satisfy the given conditions. This helps in making informed decisions by clearly showing feasible options and boundaries. Understanding how to graph systems of inequalities connects algebraic concepts to everyday problems, making abstract math more concrete and useful. It illustrates how inequalities describe real limits and how their combined effects shape possible outcomes. This approach simplifies decision-making by breaking it down into manageable visual parts.